following tutorial, we'll show you how to build an application that manages travel requests. The application started as an Excel spreadsheet. Previously, we used to send Excel spreadsheet with the details of the travel request to managers to approve. Now we want to have this as an automated web-based interface. In the application that you're going to build, you'll be able to create a new travel request, specifying date, cost, choosing the category of travel and the airline. And once a request has been submitted, you can also go and update it to approve the request or reject the request. Let's learn how to build this simple application with Visual Builder Cloud Service.